So hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Nilesh Creation. This is an exclusive wholesale outlet of 90s. Minimum just 10 piece you will have to buy. And you get cord set also. This comes in a street called Sajjan Rao Circle, which comes nearby Vivipuram in Bengaluru, India. And it comes in a complex called this Raja Hari Haran Towers. In third floor, in this complex, in third floor you have to go. So his Google Maps is there in description below. So you have to go in this complex. So this third floor you can just have a look, and here his outlet is there, Nilesh Creation, exclusive wholesale outlet of 90s, very big huge outlet. Number is on video screen. If you want to know any detail, you want to purchase the products, you can just WhatsApp, video call, and they'll send you all the details. Just check the outlet. Super big outlet, amazing collections of 90s cord set, each and everything you will get. Almost more than 500, 600 varieties are there. The best thing is you can buy 10 piece minimum. No, 10 piece will just starting price is very, he's going to tell you, so only 10 piece you will have to buy. Huge collection. So if you want to start business, you want to new business, you can come here. So amazing collections of 90s you'll get. Open 7 days a week. Cord set also you'll get over here, and 7 days they open. So any more detail, numbers on video screen, you can just check. WhatsApp, video call, they'll send you all the details. This is one more place where all the stocks are there. Huge stock is there. The Google Maps is there in description below. You can just check in the description, all the Google Maps is there. So any more detail, WhatsApp. And right now I'm introducing you to Mr. Nilesh. He's the owner of this place. Hi Nilesh, welcome to my show. Hi. Nilesh, tell me something about your studio. What and all you get over here?
Yeah, we are like 15 years. From 15 years we are in the manufacturing thing of 90s, cord set, night suits, men's cord sets, saris, kurtis, we have everything here.
And where and all your product goes like?
See, it's gold to pan India everywhere. We are number one seller in Flipkart in the nightwear category.
Minimum how much they have to purchase?
Minimum they have to take 10 pieces. You can take anything.
Okay.
There's no compulsory you have to take set wise or anything.
Okay.
You can take single piece, that, this and everything you can take anything.
Okay.
10 pieces minimum is the
And
billing.
what is the timing?
We are open 365 days.
Okay. Morning what time you'll open?
10:30.
And evening?
Evening till 8 o'clock.
And Sunday?
Sunday is 11 to 3 o'clock.
Okay, cool. Now can you show some sample? And right now I'm going to show some sample of the 90s, and also in 90s any just starting price you want to tell, just starting price?
It starts from 140 rupees
and
it goes up to 700, 800 also.
Okay, cool.
Which you will find in Flipkart, that is the double of the rate.
Alright, cool.
So this is the 90, this is...
In this how many colors we'll get in this particular design?
50 designs, 50 colors.
In this particular,
yes.
50 designs,
50
wow.
designs, yes.
And size, what and all we'll get?
Free size, this is actually free size.
Okay.
So I'll show you. This is Hosiery 90.
Very nice. And what do you want to tell about the quality of the 90s?
Quality is 100. We are number one seller of Flipkart. So you can just check the quality 100%. And check the stitching and everything.
Very nice.
No issue with that.
But very huge outlet. Almost here you must be having 500,000 varieties.
More than 1,000. We have 3,000 SKUs at a time.
Fantastic. Yes. More than 3,000 varieties of 90s are there. So great opportunity for you if you want to start a business. Yeah.
This is cord sets.
Fantastic. So in this, any starting price you want to tell? Just starting?
Cord set starts from 300 rupees.
Okay.
So it goes up to 800, 900.
And any size?
Yeah, we get sizes in this.
Okay.
M to double XL.
M to double XL. Cool. So in this one, how many varieties you are having?
We have right now around 100 varieties.
100 varieties of cord set. This is a bottom, you can just check. Numbers on video screen, video call, WhatsApp.
Yes.
They'll send you all the details, but superb quality of 90s. Cord set you're getting. Very big outlet this is.
This is again hosiery night suit.
Okay. Can you open and show?
Yes. Every product of us have a photo on it, and it comes with pouch packing.
So like this it comes, you can just have a look. So like this is a design, and then he's showing the product. You can just see. So in what and all fabrics you'll get all this?
All the fabrics, which are available, all the fabrics are there.
Okay, cotton and...
Cotton, rayon, satin, everything is there.
Cool. And next week your new samples are coming?
Yes, yes.
Okay, cool. Very nice, yeah.
See, this is Bombay cotton.
Fantastic.
Pure Bombay cotton 90.
Nice. Very comfortable to wear.
Yes, 100%,
fabric.
yes.
So in this how many designs? 50?
More than 200 designs.
Oh, in this you'll get more than 2. And how many colors you'll get?
See, these are all the designs.
Okay. Understood.
Each design has three colors.
Now next, each design has three colors. That's what I was asking.
This is one got here.
Okay.
One more.
Very nice. Cool. So only nighties and court set
Yes.
you will get here. Superb outlet. Just see, very nice fabric, nice design. Quality nighties you are getting here. High quality
100%.
nighties.
See, these are the lesser range quad sets.
Okay. This starts from.
This starts from 300 only. I said quads all starts from 300.
Okay. Very nice. Cool. It's very fashionable. People can wear for regular things also.
Yeah. Not only nightwear.
Regular wear.
This
This
is casually
is
also.
casual. Very cool. This looks. Very fashionable. This is very trending.
Colors are very vibrant colors.
Very vibrant. Very beautiful colors. Superb.
Like a kurta type also you can wear.
Fantastic.
Anything is possible.
Very fashionable. This is very nice. Looks very nice. Anyone will buy. So if you are selling this, any person will come and buy from you, and they'll ask you from where you bought, and you'll make great margin. You can come here, just check. The stocks are superb. You'll not go empty hand. So many varieties are there.
So this is
Very
a
nice.
joggers type.
Cool.
There's a t-shirt and there's a pant as well.
And from YouTube, how's the response you're getting?
YouTube I'm getting very good response.
Very good.
response.
Because the products are like that, no? Amazing. Fantastic.
There's another quad set.
Okay.
Heavy range.
Very nice. So in this, in this pattern, how many colors will get? In this variety?
In this variety there are around
3-4 colors.
10-15 designs.
Okay.
Per design there are 3 colors.
3 colors. Very nice. Amazing. So cord set also will get. So if anyone wants 100-500 piece, easily they can get.
Easily.
So in bulk also, if you want, readily available stock is there, and it gets over very soon also, because a lot of people are buying, lot of business people.
This is maternity wear. You
Okay.
get that also.
Nice.
This is maternity wear night suit
Very nice.
where there's
Cool.
zip as well.
Okay. Comfortable for the
Feeding,
ladies.
yes, for feeding.
Okay. For maternity people, ladies who are pregnant and all, for them.
Yes.
Right.
This is pant.
Cool.
And
Nice.
you will get nighties also in the same this thing.
Okay, maternity.
wear.
Okay.
Where you will get the side zip also. I'll show you that as well. This is alpine nighties.
Okay. Cool, yeah. Nice.
There are kurtis as well which we want to clear. So
Okay.
anyone coming, I'll give you it in very cheap rate. It starts from 130 rupees.
Okay.
So kurtis we want to clear.
In this, how many varieties we have in kurtis?
We have around 200 varieties which I want to clear. We are closing the kurti section.
Okay.
And next thing is the men's squat sets as well we have.
Okay.
I'm also closing this.
Men's squat set.
Yes.
Okay.
Anyone in bulk required in bulk, I'll clear the stock like in very lesser price point.
Okay. So this starts from what?
This starts from 300.
Okay. Cool.
So anyone want in
In
bulk,
this one, how many varieties you having?
see the varieties.
This all are men's squat set.
Yes, men's squat set.
Oh, so many other.
So anyone require in huge quantity, I want to clear the stock.
Okay.
So the quality is very good.
Okay.
We are just concentrating on women's
Nighties and all.
nightwear and this is the elastic one, which is
Okay.
in very trend right now.
Okay.
We have colors and designs also in this.
Okay. So starting price of 90s is 120.
140.
140.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. And it will go till 600, 700.
Yeah, 600, 700. This
Just
is very much in trend.
Okay.
Daily on Flipkart we are selling around 200 pieces of the same design.
Okay. Stretchable.
Stretchable, yeah.
Okay. Cool. Nice.
This is the lesser price point 90,
Okay.
which is we are selling in Flipkart around 299.
Okay.
So I'll give it here in 140.
Wholesale price is different.
Yeah.
Okay. So see,
Anyone who
your
is coming directly, the price is very different.
wholesale price is different, retail price is different. But here you have to buy minimum 10
10
piece.
pieces, yes.
No single piece, no retail here, but you're getting for wholesale price.
This is the short 90.
Okay. Cool. This is very comfortable.
For summer,
Very
this
nice.
is very comfortable.
In this, any starting price? Just starting price?
No, there's no starting price.
Okay.
Like, there's one or two varieties in only.
Okay. If someone wants in bulk, they can get.
They can get. They
Okay.
can get.
Good. And size what we'll get?
Free sizes. In that there is M to double XL.
M2 double X.
See, these are the colors and everything.
Okay.
The 140 range.
Cool. Nice. Very nice. Cool. This is 140 range
Yes.
of 90s. Okay. Then?
And these are the auxiliary ones. Feeding 90s which I was selling.
Okay, for
Yes.
pregnant ladies.
Yes.
Just see this. Okay, like this zip is here.
Yeah.
Okay, feeding. Okay. Cool.
Showing this is top seller on
Okay.
Flipkart. Daily I think I've sold around 40,000 pieces on Flipkart. I think.
Wow, superb.
There's a with pocket here.
Okay, very nice.
There's an embroidery on the pocket.
Very nice.
So you get anytime you can get the stock. There are 4 colors in this: red, blue, and green, and then this the pink one.
Okay. So in this, these other colors. Okay. Then next.
Next is this white one.
Okay.
This is also particularly customers ask for white designs, light colors. So this is very good.
Very nice. Fabric is amazing. This
Pure
high
cotton.
quality.
The white comes in common.
Okay.
The color, this changes.
Print.
Yes.
Print color will change.
Print color will change.
Okay. Nice. White will be common. Print colors will be different. Okay. So in this 3 are there already. 3, 4. Okay. So printed, plain, all types of nighties you get here.
So these are all vibrant colors.
Okay. Very
Pure
nice.
cotton nighties.
Superb. Very nice. Cool.
Photo.
Nice. So just see the stock, varieties, colors. Amazing outlet for nighties. So if you want to come one place, Nilesh Creation, number is on video screen, WhatsApp, video call or call them. They'll send you all the detail. Delivery charges will be there. Worldwide delivery is there. Minimum just 10 piece you have to buy. Wholesale price, yeah.
This is the 2-piece.
Okay. Cool.
Which is very like
Very nice.
yeah.
In this any starting price?
130.
Just 130. Full set will come.
Full set.
Fantastic.
This is the inner slip.
Okay.
And this is the coat.
Okay. How many colors will get in this?
There are 13-14 colors.
13,
and
very
there
nice,
are
yeah.
design as well.
Cool.
This is the coat. See, these are all 2 pieces.
Okay. So these all are the colors in this.
Yeah.
Okay. 130 is the starting price.
Yes.
Super 130 and just check the colors. So many colors. If you're looking for these kind of nightwears and all, which is very comfortable and fabric is very light to wear. So if you want this also, you can come and buy this also. So before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having superb collections of nighties and cot set. Will highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll become the regular customers. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.